Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin and unpin any message on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook Messenger. So here you can see that you simply need to open Messenger and then you need to open any conversation. So here you can see that, and if you want to pin any message, you simply need to hold that message, and here you can see in the bottom you will see an option of pin. You simply need to click on that and you can see that this message is now pinned. So if you want, you can pin multiple messages as well. So here you can see that. So now I'm going to show you how you can unpin. You simply need to hold that message and here you can see the option of unpin. You simply need to click on that. So here you can see that the message is now unpinned. So this is a process by which you can pin and unpin any message on Facebook Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.